In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Repl in Replit. Now, in case you didn't know, once you come to Replit, Repls aren't called Repls anymore. They are now called Replit apps. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's now apps. They even made a blog post all about this. So it was posted on January 30th, 2025, and it says Repls are now Replit apps. So not to get confused, these are basically now the apps, and it's exactly the same thing. So you simply want to go over here under apps to create it. And then here you can click on plus create at the top right, and then you'll be able to either create with the Replit agent, which can basically build an app for you automatically using AI, with you just having to describe what you want to get, and it's going to do everything automatically. Or you can choose a template over here. So as you can see, you have your favorites and then the templates over here. There's a bunch of different templates, and of course, once you select this, you can name the app, make it public or private, and then you can create it just like this. So that's how to create a Repl in Replit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.